Pulsafeeder. They have more than 75 years of expertise and experience,
as they continue to be the proven leader in fluid handling technology and innovation handling solutions, with products created to handle customers' toughest applications.
The Pulsafeeder Eclipse external gear pump offers flow up to 33 gallons per minute,
with the differential pressure of up to 150 psi.
The pump's viscosity can be up to 5,000 centipoise, and temperatures ranging from -40 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit.
Representing a dramatic advance in pump technology, the Eclipse Series pumps combine proven design principles with patented features. Eclipse is the ideal pump for many medium to highly corrosive liquids,
covering 0 to 14 on the pH scale,
as it is structurally rugged with corrosion-resistant materials. Did you know our Eclipse is a Water Quality Association Gold Seal certificate holder? Want to learn more about Pulsafeeder's products? Give us a call today at our office or visit our website. Look forward to hearing and helping you.